We're Sam and Megan of the Great Escape US. In November of 2021, we bought Ellie, a 1995 Ford E-350 Collins Shuttle Bus. In our last video, we talked specs and started some simple demolition. Keep watching as we finish tearing apart our walls, the AC unit, along with troubleshooting some other issues like the water leaks and rust damage.
So it is weekend 3 of working on the bus, and we have officially owned Ellie for 2 months now. Even though it's been quite some time, a lot of what we wanted to work on got delayed because I was in school, Sam was busy with work, we got a little sick, the holidays came around, and yeah, we're really excited to finally have an empty shelf, finally get an idea of the full damage in the bus. Good things are happening today, a lot of progress.
So we removed all of the beadboard that was on the original layer of the bus. We spent a good chunk of time getting rid of the share track that was basically riveted onto the wall. We needed to angle grind the rivets off. We did that, and you can still see them poking out. But now, since we've started to remove the beadboard, all that cardboard stuff, we're going to focus on seeing what kind of insulation we can keep and seeing what stuff we need to get rid of. Because as we've mentioned with the moisture damage before in the other corner over here, that stuff we've had to get rid of. But there is some stuff, like the stuff on the ceiling, that's good to keep. So we're going to comb through this to see if we want to change it or if we want to keep it. Odds are we might change some of it, keep some of it. Just depends on how it looks as we start to get more into the details of this insulation. Today I'm here by myself to do a couple of things that I've been irking to do. I'm gonna take this off today. I'm gonna take care of this AC unit. I'm gonna completely strip it out the wires.
I'm also going to try to take down this last wall panel underneath the AC unit.
I don't know if you can hear it, it's raining. So my guess is that we'll see exactly where all the water's coming from.
I have been called over to the bus because we have our first injury of the project. Sam hammered his hand with a rubber mallet, so I came to assist, help him with any heavy lifting, and finish up demolition. I'm on top of the bus. Right now I'm just scrubbing it down so I can go ahead and put on the caulk to where the leaks are. There seems to be 3 main sections on the roof. So I'm going to do a nice thick coat of marine caulking on those and see what happens.
Weekend 6. We are kind of stuck cleaning right now. We are at the end of weekend 8. We thought that we'd be done cleaning right about now, but we're on our second week. The grime just keeps building up in areas where we need to pay utmost attention. Overall, it's going, but it's gonna take a little while longer.